Good morning. So this is best player in Indonesia in BC
BC.
right now. Yeah.
What's the card order? Oh, Sheepish! Or you sign card. It's a good luck sign. It's a good luck sign.
Opening bundle lah.
What the fuck? Oh, okay, it's pretty good. Next one's Twilight. It does something.
Something better here. Okay. Next. Go
next.
Yeah, speed run.
What else? Speedrun. What the fuck? Okay. Opening pack is kind of bad.
So this is a Valentine's special, huh? What
Oh.
inside bundle? Packs lah, dice lah, lands lah. That's all. Okay, let's go.
Okay, pretty cool.
Okay,
Oh,
land.
full art.
Okay.
Okay.
Those commons are not important. Oh, this is
cool.
pretty good actually.
This one?
$10.
Yeah.
$10.
What
yeah.
the fuck?
Yeah, this is $10.
I have 2 of them.
Yeah.
Sheesh, it's
Okay.
good.
Okay. Next. Let's go.
Oh, okay, this one's
Yeah, it's okay. So it's nothing special there.
just speedrunning opening packs.
Okay.
We're the next Thomas Tan. Let's go.
Yeah.
Oh, only 5 packs.
We have
like
best
$50.
player in Malaysia. Now we have best player in Indonesia.
You bought it?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, Kaya. Oh,
Okay,
what's
Kaya.
that?
Okay lah, Kaya. Not bad. Okay, next. Oh, so no mythic yet, ah?
Oh, mythic yet. My luck is dog shit, man. What do you mean? Everything. I put everything into
Yeah.
Wise, man.
He doesn't have.
Just to cancel.
Okay, I have a tire at home.
Nice.
Noise?
Moose? The fuck is this? No.
No.
Trash.
Oh, this is $10. Another $10.
What the fuck?
Yeah, you see in Legacy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty good in Legacy. So when do we play Legacy though?
Fuck you.
Yeah,
Never.
it's okay lah.
Okay. I might play some chaff.
而家你唔想玩 Commander，你叫佢玩 Legacy。
Yeah.
Yeah, even more expensive format.
Oh, vintage,
yeah.
huh?
Oh,
Here we go. Oh, let's go.
Yo, Kyo, you know I'm already budget as fucking commander.
It's okay lah. You can be budget and Legacy as well. Just play Dredge. What do you mean?
Fuck you.
Whoa,
Make
Dredge is like
custodian.
100, like $500 for. what's it?
500 is pretty budget, yeah.
Yeah.
500 is
What
pretty
the
budget.
fuck?
It's pretty budget in the format. What
Yeah,
do you mean?
pretty budget for that format.
You don't run dual lands in the deck,
It's true, you don't.
Is this like
yeah.
how the fuck?
and you actually don't want restrict list stuffs in Dredge.
Reserve
why.
list.
Reserve list, yeah, reserve list. Okay, 6 pack. Is this 6?
I think I'll get
Last.
I don't see
I'm
anything
getting
important.
it.
Oh.
Red Sun's Twilight. I keep getting the Twilight shit. Twilight
Okay.
cycle.
Oh, you have 2 packs left.
Don't worry. Maple, Elish Norn. Let's go. Oh no, the Mondrak.
It's okay lah. Bless you lah.
I mean, dude, you got the good stuff, man. God.
No lah. My box is pretty shit as well.
It's okay.
Like, this is
the only
bundle.
reason I have stuff is I bought stuff and also
How many times did you pre-release, man?
Once.
Oh fuck. Ooh.
Oh, foil land.
Foil
Sure.
land.
Foiland's not bad.
Yeah, $3.
Another foil land. So
Oh.
Okay. I'm just gonna use this thing
This is
for
pretty
spell
good.
sling.
Like,
For whenever a player casts each other player
yeah,
does
you
a
draw a
card.
card. Or other player.
Other player.
So
Okay.
it's like
Group hug.
it's a
Group hug deck card. It's a group hug card. Group hug.
Can be interesting, especially in the 2 cost artifact. Yeah.
Nope.
I mean, it can be used in your deck.
it's a politics card.
Politics, yeah.
Yeah.
Poison counter. Here.
Proliferate.
You might need it.
I feel something.
No, I don't play it.
Okay. Potentially busted card.
Oh, it's okay, man.
It's no in commander. Someone's gonna fuck someone. Yeah, sure, whatever.
Alright, see you guys in March of the Machine, huh?
Yeah.